Okay, here's a little video down. Ted is on day 2 of his training, and he's actually, his story, as you can see, it's only day 2, but he's got an e-collar on and a prong. So his story is that he's been to a previous trainer a while ago. He went for a board and train somewhere, I don't know where it was, and he was there for 2 weeks, and apparently he came back worse with his reactivity. His basic obedience isn't too bad, so they probably just focused on that with him, but what I'm doing today is just kind of working him on some basics and really working on that down, because if you watch, no, down, it's hard for him to remain in a down while I'm walking around, especially if I go around in the circle. Good. We actually have been working on this before I did the video, so I'll go the other way. Good. So we worked on this a little bit before I started the video, and now of course he's doing great. But when we first started this morning, he was getting up and following me around whilst being on place, which yes, that's good, he's staying on place, but I want him to have a really solid down, because that's our go-to when we need it out there in the world. And he's starting to get it good, which is great. His working level right now is around 10. Good. No. Down. Ted. So there's a nice example. He popped up, and that's what we're working on. We're making sure that when I ask for a down, he stays in a down no matter where I am, where he is, whatever we're doing, I want him in that down. So that's our little morning session.